Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics from the topic vectors. So before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get these questions? You need to visit the website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academics adda. Under academics adda, you need to select math important questions. There all the questions will be listed there. Okay friends. And one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, coming back to the discussion, see what is given here in this problem. In the three-dimensional coordinate of two vectors are given, or 2 points are given in the form of vectors, that is 1 0 minus 2. So it will be equal to I cap plus 0 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay, and 1 1 1, that is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And in part B, see part A, we have to find the angle between these vectors, and in part B, we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so let the given vectors be vector A equal to I minus 2k, because j component is 0, so we have not rewritten that, and vector B we can write as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So in order to find the angle between two vectors, we know that cos theta is given by vector A dot vector B by modulus of vector A into vector B. Okay. So first we need to find the dot product of vector A and vector B. So we can calculate as I cap minus 2k cap dot I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So same means I cap and I cap, these two components will be multiplied. So 1 into 1 plus, as j component of first vector is 0, so it will be 0 into 1, and the coefficient of k vector, it is minus 2 and 1. So plus minus of 2 plus 1. So after calculating this, we will get vector A dot vector B equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, we need to calculate the modulus or absolute value of vector A and vector B. So we know for any vector like vector A, so it will be modulus of A will be under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. That is x component of that vector whole square plus y component of that vector whole square and z component of that vector whole square. So we will get this as under root 5. Okay, with c, x component is 1, y component is 0, and z component is minus 2. And for the second vector, absolute value can be calculated in a similar way. Here x component is 1, y component is 1, and z component is also 1. So we will get modulus of vector b as root 3. Okay, now we know the formula to calculate the angle between the two vectors. The cos theta is given by vector A dot vector B divided by modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B. So substituting all these values what we have just calculated, we can calculate the value of cos theta equal to minus 1 divided by root 5 into root 3. Okay, so we will get as minus 1 by under root 15. So with the help of calculator, we can find the value of theta. So theta will be equal to 104.96 degree. Hence, we can say the angle between the given vectors is 104.96 degree. In the part B, we need to calculate the distance between the 2 points. So vector A, it has been given as I cap minus 2k cap, and vector B, it is I cap plus j cap plus k cap. And we know the distance between two vectors is, or 2 points, is given by d equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. X2, y2 and z2, these are x component, y component and z component of second vector, and x1, y1, z1 are x component, y component and z component of first vector. Okay, so we can calculate the distance as under root 1 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 2 whole square, and we will get this as under root d of vector a and vector b, that is distance between the point a and b. It will be equal to square root of 10. Hence, the distance between the two vectors is under root 10. Okay, friends. So this is how we solve problems like this. Okay. Thank you.